Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add pattern field to a shape in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now, we go to the insert menu. Select the shape drop down menu. We can see here many shape. Now I am insert a shape. Now I am select the decagon, then draw the decagon, press and hold the shift on our keyboard, then select the decagon shape and go to the shape format menu, select the format shape option. Now I am enable the fill option, then select the pattern fill. We can see here many pattern. You can add any pattern of this pattern option. Now I am select any. Now I am select the pattern fill. You can change the foreground or background color. You can add the line color of shape. Now I am select the solid line and choose the red color. You can increase the width of the line, then close the panel. Now we can see we add pattern fill to a shape in Excel easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.